f of x. In this case, f of x equals 1, so we put it in. It's equal to m, which I don't know, times x. But x at this moment is -3, and to this, we're going to add the value of b, which I also don't know. We multiply here, and I get that 1 is equal to m times -3, which is -3m, and we're going to add b. Let me rewrite it. Now I'm going to put this on the left side and the 1 on the right side. Done. So we write -3m plus b equals 1. There we go. We already have our first equation. All right, we do the same thing, but now with point b. So we write f of x, which in this case is equal to 4 equals m, which I don't know, times x, but x is 6. And to this, we're going to add b. Let's tidy this up a bit here. So I end up with 4 equals m times 6, which is 6m plus b. We rewrite it, and I end up with 6m plus b equals 4. Done. Now we have our second equation. Since we have two equations with exactly the same two unknowns, which are m and b, we can find the values of m and b if we solve this system of equations simultaneously, right? -3m plus b equals 1, and 6m plus b equals 4. So let me do that subtraction. So I have -3m minus this 6m. So in total, we have -9m. Then we have b minus 6m. This other b, well, it's going to give me 0, sorry. So I don't write anything. And on the right side, we have 1 minus 4, which equals -3. Now let's solve for m here. This -9, we're going to move it to the other side dividing. So we have -3 over -9. But since a negative divided by a negative is a positive, then I'll get 3/9, but now positive, right? And well, 3/9 can be simplified. So let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1, over 9 divided by 3 gives me 3 done. Now we have the value of m. That is, we've already found the slope. Once we have the value of m, we can substitute it in. Let's see. I'm going to use the first equation, so let's put the value of m in here. So I have -3 open parenthesis, and I'm going to put the value of m that I already found, which is 1/3. Then this is plus b, and it has to equal 1. Here we have minus times plus, which is minus. And then we have 3 times 1/3, so that's 1, right? Then here we have this plus b. On the right side, we have a 1. We're going to move this -1 to the other side with the opposite sign. So I have this 1, and we move this -1 over as a plus. In the end, I have that b equals 1 plus 1, and that's equal to 2 done. Now we also have the value of b.